Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Coinmarketcap.
And by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back.
All right, so first up, let's go ahead over to our portfolio right here. All right, as you can see here, I've got money in this portfolio. Okay, you might be confused, or you must have been confused why you got money in here and you cannot withdraw it. Okay, the reason being is that you have connected your trading platform, could be Binance, okay, to your Coinmarketcap portfolio. Okay, that's why you'll be able to see all of your tokens right here. Now, you can go ahead and make transactions right here, like buy maybe 2 USDT and wait for it to maybe go up and down. Then after that, the conversion will be made under Binance. Okay, you'll be able to see the conversion directly from your trading platform. Okay, that's basically it. Now, what I did is when you go ahead and add a portfolio right here, okay, as you can see, you have BTC, Bitcoin, MetaMask, USDT, USDC, Sol, and some other options. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in Bitcoin. Okay, and as you can see here at the top, it says connect wallet or exchange. So I have connected the wallet or exchange Binance. So I'm going to tap on it. As you can see here, you can go ahead and easily connect a wallet or just connect a Binance account. And that is why your Binance tokens will reflect under your Coinmarketcap portfolio. Okay, again, you cannot withdraw money from here. You can only withdraw by using the wallet that you have connected. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.